Just wanted to go over the buy side ATM trade. This one worked really quickly. I actually got a worse fill than what the alert said. However, it still worked out really well. So every 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, we get a call or a put alert. Today was a 617 call. Entry price 1.04. Actually got higher than that. The take profit was 1.25. Stop loss was 0.62. And if you can see on the trade log here, I actually got in a minute and 24 seconds late there. So I actually filled at 1.12 instead of the 1.04. However, it closed literally, 35 seconds or so after, and we closed it at the 1.28. So it was a very quick trade, 1.12 to 1.28 in literally 30 seconds. This is the trade log for every trade that I've did since we started the service. I currently use about $1,000 in premium costs, and right now our running P&L is $1,561 off using $1,000. This should be a $10,000 account. You're going to buy up to about $1,000 in premium with that, and there are guides on exactly how much to use per amount of money that you have. So you don't want to just full port your whole account buying contracts on this. Your drawdown will be very high. But going with that, about $10,000 account, we're already up 1561 in a little over a month. So 15% return in a little over a month. Really good results so far. So if you have any questions on the service, just leave a comment down below, and there's a link to sign up on the bottom. Have a good rest of the day, everybody.